Vedita, UR15CA056. So I'm here to explain the program to implement a linked stack and queue. So in this program, now we have created a structure called node, and few informations are given inside the function. Like info is given integer data type, and the node next is given the structure. So next a stack class is created. Inside the stack class, in the public stack function is created, and push pop display functions member functions are created, and it is given a void return type. So now the various operations push pop and display are going to be executed. For that, now we are giving some conditions. So first, data is given an integer data type. So now if this condition is satisfied, then it prints memory exhausted. If not, it comes out of the loop and it asks you to enter the number that has to be inserted. So if you type the number, which is the data, that will be entered into the stack. So next, now we are going to see the pop. So in pop, first this condition has to be satisfied. Top is equal to null. If top is equal to null, it prints stack is empty. If not, the value will be popped out of the stack. So next is it is to display the display the values in the stack. So to display the values in the stack, top is equal to null. If top is equal to null, then it displays nothing. Else the contents in the stack will be displayed. If we are giving a number 1, next we are giving two numbers, 1 and 2 is pushed inside the stack. If there are two numbers 1 and 2 in the stack, it displays the current numbers in the stack. So that is used. And again, a different structure is created, note. This is to link the stack with queue. So this is a different queue, different structure with queue. So again, a class queue is created, and the public and private are created. In the public, the queue function is created, and enqueue, dequeue and display functions are created, and this is given a void return type. So in this function, first we are going to enqueue. We are going to insert a number. So to enqueue, these are the conditions. So if these conditions are satisfied, then it asks us to enter the data. So if front is equal to null or front is equal to temp, this is the condition. So if it satisfies, then we can enter the number. And dequeue, we'll have to remove a number. So to remove a number, we are giving that if front is equal to null, it prints queue is empty. If not, it checks the values whether temp is equal to front or front is equal to next, and if it sees this condition and prints as the data dequeue. So if this condition satisfied, whatever the number is there, that will be deleted. It will be dequeued. And to display the numbers present in the queue, this function is used, and it checks the conditions. So if this condition p is not equal to null, then it prints the number. So now inside the main function, there is a main function. In this main function, first stack is given. Two switch cases are used to link stack and queue. So first, in the main function, stack is declared and queue is declared, and choice is given as an integer data type. So for this, in the first switch case, the conditions are given. First is to push pop display, and 4 is to exit. So if in case 1, we'll have to push. If you press 1, it will push the numbers which we are entering. If we give 2, it will pop out the number. If we press 3, it will display the current members in the stack, and if you press 4, it will exit out of the stack. And now next one is to give the queue. So in queue, we are giving all these same switch cases. So 1 to enqueue, 2 to dequeue, 3 to display, and 4 to exit out. So this is the program. Now we can run the program, and now we are giving 1. We're going to, so now this is the stack. So stack and queue is linked in this. So if you press 1, it gets into the number, so we can enter any number. I'm entering 23. So now it enters into the queue. So in this queue now we can again enter the number. So I'm entering 34. So one number has entered. Now we can DQ. So if we give 2, the number is DQ. 34 is DQ. So again we are giving 1 and entering a number and giving 3 to display the current number. So 45 is displayed here. Then 4, we can exit out. So this is the program. Thank you.